people on a day of everywhere they pepper. We don't come again with another case for inside court. This case now we say we call no grief for anybody. Case of daughter-in-law we carry her mother-in-law come court. The mama on her own carry basbos come her pikin house. Wife no dey comfortable. Say mama they give her tough time for her husband house. Mama get plenty reasons why she and her daughter-in-law no dey align. Daughter-in-law say she don't tire. Say since mama come her home no dey as a day. She say she don't tell mama to go back villa. Mama say she no go ever valid try am. This one Popo and your wife carry mother-in-law come court. May Judge Kpako for settle this matter.
All arise for the presiding Judge Kpako.
You have your seat. Yes, Vincent. So what's the case before us?
I read case number 012 between Mrs. Philomena Akitiko versus Madam Veronica Akitiko. All parties in the matters are taking their oaths.
Okay, all right, no problem. Let me have the case first. Well, the case before us is, in fact, the plaintiff here is Philomena Akitiko. She said she wants her mother-in-law to go back to the village because ever since she came, she has been creating nothing but confusion in her home. And her husband is in between the lines. But her mother-in-law, Madam Veronica Akitiko, has said this is her son's house and she's not going anywhere. This is the case before us. Philomena,
yes,
you brought your mother-in-law to court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is that sitting beside you?
Your Honor, he's my husband.
Oh, your husband. You mean Clifford Akitiko?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead with the case of the day. Tell the court why you brought your mother-in-law here.
Your Honor, my mother-in-law is creating problems for me and my husband. She has been living with us now for 7 months and has refused to go back to the village.
Okay, hold on. Is she based in the village?
Yes, Your Honor. She called us that she was sick and my husband asked her to come over so that we can take better care of her.
So, your husband sent for her. Are you in agreement with it?
Yes, Your Honor. I agreed with my husband that she should come.
Now you, he no agree make I come at all. You no even want make I come the house at all.
Mama, I have not asked you to talk. It will get to your turn soon. I'm talking to Philomena now. So please, Philomena, can you continue?
Thank you, Your Honor. When Mama came, we took her to the hospital. After some time, the doctor said that she was okay. That all she needed was rest. The doctor also gave her some multivitamins. Mama was not sick. She just pretended to be sick to come and live with us. She has her plans to come and torment me in my husband's house. Ever since Mama came, it's been from one trouble to the other. I have not rested. She complains about every single thing that I do or I did not do. She's driving me crazy.
Really? So what are the things that she's complaining about?
She complains about my work, my going to work.
She doesn't want you to work?
I don't know for her, Your Honor. She says I don't stay at home. In fact, she said that I only go to work every time. That I don't stay at home. I go to work in the morning and I come back at night. That I don't take care of my husband, her son.
All right, is that true?
Your Honor, I work as a marketing coordinator with a company that produces and distributes household goods. My office is on the island, but I am assigned to coordinate marketing activities on the mainland. I lead a team that supply goods to traders on the mainland. We visit markets and street shops every day. I have to return to the office on the island to give accounts of my work for that day. That is the nature of my work, Your Honor.
Okay, so that's the reason why you come home late.
Yes, Your Honor. By the time I'm coming back home around 6 p.m., there will be traffic, and before I get home, it will be around 9 p.m. My husband understands what I go through. Whenever I come back from work, I still try to do my domestic duties. I make soup and stew every Sunday, and I put them in the fridge. Whenever my husband is hungry, he can go to the fridge and take the soup and warm it. My husband is not complaining, but Mama has been complaining and quarreling with me.
Have you explained the nature of your work to your mother-in-law?
Yes, Your Honor, but Mama doesn't want to understand. She says I must be the one to always cook for my husband as his wife. And if my work is not allowing me to stay at home to take care of my husband, I should resign.
So she's recommending you resign the job you are doing?
Yes, Your Honor. She wants me to stop working so that I'll be at home to cook and wash for my husband. If I resign, how are we going to pay our house rent and meet our daily needs? Your Honor, I don't want to say this. I don't tell people, but my husband is not working. He has not worked for 5 years now, and I'm the one catering for the family.
You said your husband has not been working for 5 years now?
Yes, Your Honor.
But for how long have you been married?
We've been married for 5 years, Your Honor.
So, since you got married, he has not been working?
He was working when we got married, but 2 months later, he lost his job. And since then, we've been managing my salary.
Okay, do you have any children?
No, Your Honor. We have been having challenges bearing a child. In fact, that's another thing Mama always torments me with. She accuses me of not being able to bear a child for her son. She rains curses on me and calls me all kinds of names. She even said she was going to get my husband another wife. I am not God that gives children. But Mama will not let me rest. She will not let me rest. She keeps complaining and quarreling with me every day, as if I purposely don't want to bear children. I love children. I want to have children. It is not my fault that we don't have children, Your Honor.
So these are the reasons why you want your mother-in-law to go back to the village?
Yes, Your Honor. She's causing trouble between me and my husband. For the first time in our marriage, she caused my husband to slap me.
What? I'm interested. What happened?
It was on a Sunday afternoon. My husband was out and I was in the sitting room. Mama came to where I was sitting and started cursing me for what I was wearing.
So, what were you wearing at that material time?
It was a bomb short and a top, Your Honor. I don't wear it out. I was just staying in my house. I just wanted to relax. But Mama will not give me peace. She called me all kinds of names that I cannot mention. She said I dress like a prostitute. I asked her to stop, but she increased her cursing. Then she became violent and started hitting me with her hands. She wanted to claw my face, so I held her hands and freed myself and left to my room.
Oga Judge, she beat me, no be small. She pushed me for chair, Igba. I sat there for. Now she wire me slap, I don't want the zero, my eye just the blink. You see this woman here? She be dangerous woman. Now bad wife she be.
You too, you a bad mother-in-law.
You see her?
Please, Philomena, that's one thing I would not like to entertain in my court. Don't exchange words with your mother-in-law. Is that okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
One respect she won't get.
Mama, that's okay. But you two get your own for your body. You know that? Why you do always curse your daughter-in-law? Why? Why? Anyway, I'll come back to you later. Mama, I have not finished with Philomena. Philo now, did you actually beat up your mother-in-law as she alleged?
No, Your Honor. I can't do that. Even with all the insults and the trouble she caused me, I still respect her as my mother. I only held her hands as she was trying to claw my face, and then she fell on the chair.
Well, you see, nobody else was there. It was just the two of you. So, however, if that be true, that you actually slapped and beat your mother-in-law, I want you to desist from that, because one day you two will become a mother-in-law and you won't like it when your daughter-in-law should give you a hot slap. So desist from it if that is the truth. So what happened afterwards?
When my husband came back, I was not at home. I had gone to the store in the neighborhood to buy some groceries. Before I came back, Mama had told my husband lies. She told him I beat her, and then she fainted, that she almost died. My husband didn't want to hear from me. He didn't even want to hear my side of the story. As I entered the sitting room, he rushed towards me and he hit me in my face with his hands.
He beat you?
Your Honor, since when we got married, my husband has never raised a finger on me. But Mama made him to do so.
He beat you? That one na beat. Oga Judge, you no beat am o. Na he just touch him face, tam. I tell my pikin Clifford, make he beat this woman well. Make she no whoop your oga for house. But my pikin no gree. I don't know wetin she do my pikin o. Maybe I tell my pikin make you beat am. My pikin begin dey beg am. They tell am make he no vex. Philo, I don't know wetin you do my pikin o. But my God go comot that thing wey you do my pikin, go comot am for him eye. I me tell you that one.
That one do, Mama. Even me myself like that. The way even they talk, sef. I no tell you before, say make you no talk until I ask you. I never finish with your daughter-in-law, Philomena, and you just jump enter inside. Philo, what is the relationship with your husband like now?
Before, even though he has apologized for hitting me, our relationship is being challenged, Your Honor. I have forgiven him, but I would never have believed that my husband that I love so much would raise his hand to hit me. And with Mama still living with us and causing trouble every day, it keeps going bad. That is why I'm praying the court to ask Mama to go back to the village so that I and my husband can mend our broken relationship.
See, I've heard the testimony of Philomena, and she wants her mother-in-law to go back to the village. All right, at this point in time, we want to call on the Madam herself. Let me hear from the elephant in the house, Madam Veronica. So, Mama, now your turn now. So, why you no like your daughter-in-law? What you go talk for this matter, Mama?
Philo, you talk and say you go carry me come court. Wait for carry me go back village. True, we don't come court though. No one say as you go. But make I tell you, no be person wey first come court, na in the win case. I just say make I remind you.
Mama, you never answer wetin the question when I ask. You never answer them. I say your daughter-in-law say you dey cause trouble, too much trouble for the house. Now wetin I ask you. So Mama, answer now.
I tell Clifford my pikin, make you no marry this woman. Say she no get respect at all, she no get home training, she no get common respect. My pikin no answer me. When he carry am come village, I look the girl well. I tell my pikin, this girl no good for you. My pikin say no. Oga Judge for even ask me how I take no say this girl no get respect.
Okay. How you take no, Mama?
Thank you.
when they come see me for my house, they see me say I dey wash clothes. Pikin wey get home training, wey get respect, no be to collect the clothes for my hand, dey wash am. But no, she carry her leg fege enter house. I mean her house. She no dey sweep house at all. I tell my pikin, this girl no be am o. But my pikin tell me say my mouth dey smell. Now here we dey so now. Na be this.
Okay, Mama, na true say you make your son, Clifford, beat your daughter-in-law?
Na lie o. You no beat am. He touch you. Oga Judge, make I tell you wetin happen. Philo like to dey wear all these short things wey they wear. I come tell am say, this thing wey you dey wear, Philo, e no good o. You be married woman. Why you go dey dress like a shower? Even if she dey house or she comot, Philo dey dress anyhow. You know, okay, and wetin I dey talk? You know see wetin she wear come court. Na so married woman suppose dey dress. You no see me as I dress, Oga Judge. I dress like married woman. I don tell Philo severally, but she no hear me. Philo no just want dey dress like married woman. She no dey tie wrapper. She just want dey dress like a shower.
Your Honor, this is what she's always calling me. She calls me a prostitute because I can't wear wrapper, just like the way she's wearing it. Should I wear wrapper to work? That is not convenient for my work. How will I be jumping from one bus to another on wrapper? I need to be smartly dressed.
Which kind work you dey work when you no go fit tie wrapper? If your work people no wan make you tie wrapper, no be for you to leave the work.
She said na only she dey work and dey provide money for house rent, to take care of the thing, and also the one that they take care of you. If you want her to stop the work, how you go be? If you want her to resign, where the money dey come from?
Oga Judge, she na why she go dey wear small pikin clothes wey go make everything wey God give her make e dey outside, clothes wey no dey size am. Maybe like small children clothes. Make we leave that one first. Oga Judge, you don ask why e be say my pikin Clifford no get work, no dey work after he marry this girl wey dey call Philo. Something dey there now, no be ordinary. This girl na bad luck, she get bad head. She carry her bad luck come my pikin house. That's why my pikin no get work where he dey work. Okay. Why she no carry her work give my pikin, make him dey work? Make she dey house, dey do the housework. I mean, no be so you suppose be. No be man suppose dey work. Woman go dey house. Abi I lie? Oga man go dey work, wife go dey house.
Mama, na wow. The work wey Philo dey do, you sure say Clifford go fit do am? Because her qualification no be her own.
Oga Judge, leave that thing. Which work wey woman dey do wey man no go fit do? Tell me now. Just be say Philo wan become man for house, make my pikin become woman. My pikin go cook, my pikin go wash plates, my pikin go clean house. Oh, my pikin ije, my pikin don suffer.
Mama, you don't do now.
My pikin don suffer.
You don't do now.
You no go wait make I talk. Abeg, shut up. My pikin don suffer. My pikin dey even wash her clothes.
Mama, you don't do now.
Abeg,
You don't do now. Which kind? Mama, why you dey do like this now?
Shame, shut up your mouth. Wetin Philo dey do e good? Wetin she dey do e good? Oga Judge, na because I say make me I even dey sef. I say make I correct her for the clothes wey she wear. Na she begin curse me. Now I say make I bend down her mouth small make she for no say she no go talk to me anyhow.
Stop that now. Stop that. Even inside the court here, you won't use hand to squeeze your daughter-in-law mouth.
Now she dey curse me. I come say make I bend down small. Make she for know where she dey. Every time she go dey talk to me anyhow. Now my pikin house I come o. But she no just want make I drink water drop cup. She want make I comot. For my own pikin house, they give me trouble. But me, I don't tell am say, Philo, I know they go anywhere. I know they comot for my pikin house.
What thing I see for this matter between you and your son, wife, is that you don't like Philomena at all. Mama, you dey hear inside the talk? I said you don't like Philomena at all. The way she dress, you complain about her. Say she need to come back from work, you complain about her. She need to stay for house, you complain about her. Because all this matter, then they before me. Now hold on. Sure, you get any other thing? Mama, you dey hear me? I said whether you get any other thing where you want to say about Philomena, where you don't like.
Oga Judge, help me ask her why she never born pikin for my son. For 5 years, when my pikin don marry this woman, she no born pikin for her. I mean, she don't want make I carry my grandchildren. All my pikin mates, they don't born finish. Some don't born 3, some born 4, some born 5. No only Philo when never born for my pikin. Philo, I don ask you wetin you do your body when you no fit born pikin.
Mama, Mama, you dey give me headache. Wetin you mean by wetin she do with her body? Wetin you mean? No, answer that. Wetin you mean by that?
Oga Judge, why she no fit born pikin? Wetin be that thing wey dey dey for woman?
Womb.
Oga Judge, Philo no get womb. You don comot am.
Mama. Wetin I do you?
Na lie I dey lie.
Wetin I do you?
Na lie I lie. You no comot your womb. You don do a shower finish, you waka up and down. You sleep with this one, you comot am. You sleep with this one, you comot am. You come tire. You come be saying na for my pikin body you wan rest on top Clifford body. I tell Clifford make you no marry am, but Clifford no hear me. If you are still saying fit side, dey talk nonsense. 5 years, Philo, 5 years. So you marry my pikin, you no fit born for am. Hey, my pikin don suffer. Philo, you be barren woman. Clifford, na barren woman you marry. So
Mama,
you be barren woman.
Mama.
This is what you don't do too much.
It's okay.
You will make me to say what I don't want to say.
Mama, don't call my wife barren again. Now, what is all this? How will you be calling my wife barren?
I go talk am again. You be barren woman, Philo. You be barren woman. Leave
Mama,
my
it's okay
pikin
now.
alone.
It's okay
He no
now.
go
Mama,
marry
leave
you.
it.
Mama is calling me barren. Mama is calling me barren. You want the whole world. God knows. God knows that I am not barren.
Mama, order.
Mama, that's enough. You just dey accuse your son's wife. Say she remove her womb. Now the thing is, shey you get evidence or you carry and go hospital, they go check her and then tell you.
Ask her make she talk true. You get womb. You no get womb. You no fit born. You don't use that. You don't come out. Not lie. Not be true.
Mama. So, what you are trying to say now, Mama, is this: that when Philo was still a young lady, that she was very promiscuous, and she has aborted severally, and now that her womb has been damaged, she has finally settled down in your son's house. Not waiting they talk with that.
Oga George, small pikin wey no know medicine dey call am vegetable. We wey be old people, if we sit down look something, if young person stand up go climb iroko tree, he no go see am. I know wetin I dey talk, Oga George. She no get womb.
Okay, Philomena, you heard the accusation your mother-in-law leveled against you. Now, this is an opportunity. Defend yourself against this accusation.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to clear my name. I didn't want to say this before. But since...
Philo, go ahead.
Mama's allegation that I don't have a womb or I got my womb removed when I was younger is completely false. Nothing like that ever happened. I have a womb and I am not barren. I am completely normal. The doctors have not found anything wrong with me. Our childlessness is not my fault. It is my husband's.
Hold on. What do you mean by that, Philomena?
Your Honor, my husband's demand of the man does not work.
You mean your husband, the man of the man, does not work? What it means that your husband has not been eating apple?
Yes, Your Honor. He does not eat apple.
But since when?
Since we got married, we practiced sexual abstinence before marriage. I didn't know that he had the problem.
Mama, she, your body don't calm down now. She, you don't see her. You don't let the whole world know the shame why I know they cover since. Mama, what's I doing? Mama, what's I doing?
Wetin I do now? Oga Judge, wetin dey happen?
Wetin your daughter-in-law dey try talk be say the thing wey dey dey man body wey dey work, wey dey fit produce pikin, your son own, e no dey work at all.
Mama,
Hey! Wait, may I ask you? The thing dey, you know dey stand, abi you dey stand small?
Mama, now what I do you now? What if you all this one now, Mama? Now all my friends when they did Europe, when they did America, Asia, all of them don't know.
They don't hear anything, nobody was there for you. I never can hear what, Jare.
Mama, don't finish me. Mama, it fall my hand. Oh.
The hand will stand.
This case has revealed a lot about the Akitiku family. It shows that Clifford, your wife, wants her mother-in-law, that is your mother, to go back to the village. So what is your own say about that?
Thank you, Your Honor. Actually, I love my mother, I respect and honor her, and I will keep doing that, keep respecting her, keep loving her. I will keep providing for her, and I also keep taking care of her. But as it stands right now, I am in support of my wife that Mama should go back to the village. Yes, Mama. My wife and I, we've been, having these challenges, and we've been managing it very well. And I really want to appreciate that because she has been supportive, she has been helping. And in the aspect of job, it's not that I don't want to get a job. I've been seeking for a job. I've been going out, but jobs are hard to come by this period. So while she goes to work, I help with the house chores to make sure that when she comes back tired, she doesn't have to go through all those stress again. And all these things we've been doing, nobody knows about this. Not until Mama now, came to join us and started bringing all our dirty linens outside. So I think at this point, Mama should leave.
All right, Mr. Clifford, are you thinking, or you are sure, you are saying that Mama should go back to the village? So which one, is it thinking or you're sure?
I'm sure Mama should go back to the village.
All right. After listening to all the testimonies around, I think we'll have to go on a short break now and return with my final judgment.
But arise.
This mama wahala tie wrapper come court o. Away, this mama na action reloaded. No wonder daughter of Zion wan make she dey go. Mama no know say na wife dey cover her pikin, but she don use her wahala blow everything come outside. Left for me, I go talk say me mama dey go her house first. This one reach to tire person. E no easy o. Even her pikin sef talk say make she dey go. That is to tell you say this is an Ikeguru situation. But make we hear wetin Judge Kpako final talk go be for this matter.
God.
All right, you may have your seat. I want to give my judgment and final ruling on this case. So, Mama, make you listen very well. Mr. Clifford, I hope you are very much aware. Philomena, So I want to give my ruling. I have them minuted down. And it goes this way. After hearing all your testimonies, the plaintiff, Philomena, the defendant, Madam Veronica Akitiku, and also the witness, Clifford Akitiku, my ruling is this. But before then, I have a piece of advice to all parties. Philomena, you should always respect and honor your mother-in-law. She's a mother to you too, you know. Though you denied hitting her, but it was just the two of you and no one else was there. But if you did hit her, I want to say desist from it and try and tolerate her. Mama, in the aspect of dressing that Mama says, I want to point out some things here. You should understand that during Mama's time, their dressing is quite different from our own contemporary dressing. Then, they tied wrapper, which she's actually insisting you do. And because she doesn't understand that now you don't have to, you can't tie wrapper to work. So there is what we call clashing of culture. So, exactly. Mama, I want you to make you understand. Say your daughter no go fit tie wrapper go work. This day, na the way they take the dress. But, Philomena, and generally, this is not an avenue that all forms of dressing are really acceptable, especially the ones we always see with our celebrity. Now, for the aspect of bearing children, Mr. and Mrs. Akitiku, and also Mama, you have various options available that you can explore to have a child or maybe children. All you need to do is to visit a good fertility clinic and speak with the doctors there. By ruling, I will now rule on the substantive case brought before me. The court believe it is for the good of the Akitiku family that Mama should go back to the village. But this is not banishment, Mama. She is free to come back after 2 years, except if she is called back by Mr. and Mrs. Akitiku within 2 years or before the 2 years period for Omugwo. Well, my judgment goes for the plaintiff, Philomena, that Mama should go back to the village for the main time. This is my ruling on this case, and I write.
Court, arise.
My people, for me, I support Judge Kpako. Make Mama they go first. Make these couples they gather themselves back. This alone can cause separation and divorce in a home. Now Mama don't see say na her pikin get issue sef. Marriage no easy true, my people. But na grace and patience that we need for a better home. Anything when you feel for this case, I bet on a pen and down for the comment section. Like I used to say, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I go see you now for the next video. Gracias.
Thanks for watching our videos. I hope you enjoyed them.
And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.
And I beg, make una no forget to turn on the notification button.
And don't forget to follow us on Inside Court with Judge Kpako on all social media handles. Thank you.